In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use shaders in Minecraft on the PlayStation 5 and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to use shaders in the Bedrock Edition available on the PlayStation 5, first what you may try to do is go over to the marketplace. In here you can find a bunch of resource packs, behavior packs that changes the way Minecraft looks and functions. So what if we look for shader? Now, even though some stuff does pop up, a lot of these aren't going to be real shaders. They're simply going to be resource packs disguised as high-definition shaders. Of course, if you like how they look, you should go ahead, acquire them, and use them. But in this video, I want to discuss if it is possible to use the real shader mods. So let's try something else. Since we cannot find official shaders and only things that look like shaders on the marketplace, what if we try going inside of the game? As you might be aware, on PC, they have the option to play in RTX-enabled maps or ray tracing-enabled maps, which is also like shaders. I am recording this video on my PC because I want to showcase this feature and discuss how to enable it. Now, you might have heard that the option for ray tracing is actually available on your PlayStation version of Minecraft, and you can find it when you join any world. You go into the settings, you access the video category, and in there is going to be a toggle for ray tracing. So I'm going to show you how it looks. Now, before I move around too much, if I go over to the options, settings, and go into video like I mentioned, and I scroll all the way down, ray tracing is actually available for PC. But if you try to go over here on your PlayStation 5, this option is going to be grayed out. In fact, you might have noticed this before, it's been grayed out for years. So what's the deal with ray tracing and shaders? Unfortunately, the answer is that as of today, because Mojang never bothered to port over shaders into Minecraft Bedrock releases, and they only have ray tracing functionalities on the PC version of the game, it is impossible to use shaders or ray tracing for Minecraft on the PlayStation 5. If you want to use shaders, you have to play on a PC or use the Java edition. Bedrock Edition had some ways to get shaders working, but because of a lot of changes made by Mojang, they basically nullified all options that used to work. And on the PlayStation, because it is harder to access the files and the installation of Minecraft, it is more difficult to get those shader mod packs needed to see shaders in game. So right now, it is currently impossible to use on a PlayStation 5. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that unless you have access to a PC or other platforms where you can use shader mods, it is going to remain impossible to use shaders in the Bedrock edition of the game on the PlayStation 5. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.